In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a 404 error on Shopify. Experiencing a 404 error on your Shopify store can be frustrating. It's like preparing a gourmet meal only to find out your guests can't find your house. This error usually occurs when a page your visitors are trying to access no longer exists or has been moved without proper redirection. But don't worry, today I'll guide you through the process of fixing this error, ensuring your visitors find their way to the correct page on your Shopify store. First things first, head over to the Shopify website. You're going to start on their homepage. If you're not already logged in, locate and click on the login button. This redirects you to a page where you will need to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Shopify store for a smooth login process. After inputting your email, you will be prompted to enter your password. Fill in your password carefully and hit the login button to access your Shopify admin dashboard. This dashboard is your command center where you can manage everything related to your Shopify store. Once logged in, navigate to My Store Home. This is essentially your Shopify store's homepage from an administrative viewpoint. Here you will see various options to manage your store, but for now our focus is on fixing the 404 error. Look for the online store option. This section is where all the magic happens regarding how your store looks and functions on the web. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with multiple options. Among these options, you'll find Navigation. Click on it. This action takes you to a section where you can manage how your customers navigate through your website, a crucial aspect regarding the error we're addressing. Inside Navigation, you should see an option that reads View URL Redirects. URL redirects are a way to send both users and search engines to a different URL from the one they originally requested. It's like telling your friends, hey, we moved the party next door, ensuring they don't wind up at the wrong house. On the URL redirects page, there's a button that says Create URL Redirect. Click on it. This is where we start the actual process of fixing the 404 error by redirecting the problematic URL to the correct page. In the Redirect From field, you'll enter the old URL that's causing the 404 error. This is the web address your visitors are trying to access but can't. It is crucial to get this URL exactly right, so double check for any typos or errors. Next, in the Redirect To field, type in the new correct URL where you want to direct your visitors. This will be the destination page that is currently active and available on your Shopify store. Again, accuracy is key, so ensure this URL is correct and fully functional. After filling in both fields, save your changes. This process tells Shopify, hey, if someone is trying to access this old page, guide them to this new one instead. It's as simple as rerouting traffic to ensure your visitors find what they're looking for. And that's pretty much it. You've now successfully fixed a 404 error by creating a URL redirect. This means that anybody who tries to visit a page on your site that doesn't exist will automatically be directed to the correct page, improving their user experience and helping maintain your site's SEO strength. Remember, the key to preventing 404 errors is regularly checking and updating your website's links, especially if you delete pages or change your site's structure. A healthy, well-maintained website ensures a seamless experience for your visitors and is crucial for your online store's success. Fixing a 404 error is an essential skill for any Shopify store owner. It's about ensuring smooth navigation for your customers, maintaining your site's SEO, and ultimately securing your online presence. So, next time you encounter a 404 error, you now have the know-how to fix it swiftly and efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it clarified the steps to fix a 404 error on Shopify and empowered you to manage your online store more effectively. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy selling.